Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Down he tumbled oh so fast, onto the soft green grass at last. All the king's horses out for a run saw poor Humpty under the sun. All the king's men playing nearby rushed to help him, reaching the sky. Officer Goose, with feathers so neat, brought a soft blanket for Humpty's seat. Nurse Ladybug, with spots so bright, checked him over, are you alright? Builder Beaver, strong and keen, made a safe stretcher, sturdy and clean. Farmer Rabbit, gentle and quick, found sticky bandages, did the trick.
They lifted Humpty oh so slow. Careful now, don't let him go. Placed him gently, safe on a log, under a shady, friendly frog.
Humpty smiled though he felt a fright. Thank you, helpers, you made it right. No broken pieces, just a small crack. You all brought my brave Eggie back. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall, but kind friends gathered one and all. With teamwork, care, and helping hands, safe on the ground now Humpty stands. Look before you climb up high, friends will help you by and by.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty, round and tall, teeter-tottered, watch him fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men rushed to help their egg-shaped friend. They tried some glue, they tried some thread, they tried to lift him from his bed, but Humpty's shell was cracked and bent. Oh dear, what sadness it lent. So Humpty learned that walls are tall, not safe for eggs to sit at all. He'll find a cozy spot instead, a comfy cushion for his head. Along came Clucky, wise and kind, with gentle words to ease his mind. She brought some tape and stickers bright to fix him up with all her might. Now Humpty's resting safe and sound, a cushioned pillow on the ground. He thanks his friends both big and small, no more high walls for him at all. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Oopsie daisy, down he went, but now he's happy, safe and flat, with friends to chat with where he sat.
Choo 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 choo, hear the whistle blow. Down the shiny tracks the happy train will go, puffing smoke so high into the sky, so blue, taking all the children, me and you. Chugga 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 choo choo, chugga 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 choo choo, rolling down the line, sunny day rain, here comes the happy choo choo train. Click clicky clack, hear the wheels sing, over hills and bridges, what a happy thing. Past the mooing cows and fields tunnel dark. Now don't you make a peep. Shh. Quiet now. Till out the other side we creep. Sunshine bright again. We give a cheerful toot. Thank you, Choo Choo Train, for such a lovely scoot. Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Coming to the station, slowing down the end. Goodbye, happy Choo Choo Train, my little friend.
Donut, donut, round and sweet, with sprinkles on top, a colorful treat. Sugar and jam, a hole in the middle. Take a big bite and giggle, giggle.
Oh, yo, yum, donut day, munching and crunching, hip hip hooray. Chocolate or glaze, whatever you pick. One little donut makes us feel quick.
Donut, donut, soft and light, like a tasty wheel, shiny and bright. Cinnamon swirls or strawberry dip, share with a friend, it's a happy trip.
Oh, yum, yum, donut day, munching and crunching, hip hip hooray. Chocolate or glaze, whatever you pick. One little donut makes us feel quick.
Donut, donut, warm and gold, fresh from the oven, a joy to hold. Dougie ball becomes a puffy and tall, hole in the center for one and for all.
Oh, donut, donut, sticky and sweet, frosting and drizzle, a yummy feat. Lick your thumbs when the frosting is done. Swirly, whirly, sticky, icky fun. Oh, yum, yum, donut day, munching and crunching, hip hip hooray. Chocolate or glaze, whatever you pick. One little donut makes us feel quick.
Donuts for breakfast, donuts for tea, the
Best little snack for you and me.
Now clap your hands and shout, hooray! Let's eat our donuts,
Yay, yay, yay!